Yeah, try it. Tell me, do you like it? Good morning, guys. I am so excited for today. I can't even get the words out. Like, I've tried to say this 4 times and I'm just gonna come right out and say it. It is Unicorn Frappuccino Day at Starbucks. Ah! Okay, so if you don't know, Unicorn Frappuccinos are coming out today at Starbucks. I don't really know anything more than that. I just heard Unicorn, Starbucks, Frappuccinos. So we're making today Unicorn Day in our house. In honor of the Unicorn Frappuccino coming out today at Starbucks, we are gonna make unicorn keychain shrink art. How's it coming along, Valor?
Good.
Good, okay. And Aurora's gone to bug hunting.
And that flew on me.
Oh my goodness. Here's some of my completed colored keychains before they've been banked and shrunk. Tell me what you colored.
Rainbow.
And what did you color, Aurora?
A princess. Look
right.
all over it.
You did a good job coloring it. Okay, you ready to shrink them up?
Yeah.
Okay, hand them to me and we'll go shrink them up.
Can I put them in the oven?
You can watch it. And here are the finished products. They shrink up so cute. Where are we going?
Skybar.
What are we getting though?
Unicorn.
We are?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Come here.
We're in a pink one.
Okay, we'll tell him. Hi, she wants a unicorn frappuccino, please.
Tall?
She brought her own straw.
How cool.
A grande is fine.
Grande?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Nicole. Well, you can put it under Aurora.
Aurora?
Yeah.
That's such a pretty name.
Thank you.
How are you today? Adorable.
Are you excited? What are we waiting for?
Where's those?
She's in the car with Daddy.
Why?
Because it's just you and me getting our special drink. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. What color is it gonna be?
Pink.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
That works out perfectly. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
it's gonna be
color's
good.
pink and purple.
Pink and purple.
Yeah. My friends love to swim.
Really?
Yeah.
Your mermaid friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They jump in the water
It's pretty cool.
and they circle.
She's making your special drink. I see her.
Hey.
She is making pink and blue.
And that, put that on it.
I know, I see.
It's like a cupcake.
It's like a cupcake?
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting.
This is for you. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, has your name on it. All right, hang on, let's see. You ready? Let me see your straw. Can you take a picture of you with your drink? Okay.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, try it. Tell me, do you like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Smile at mommy.
I can keep doing this.
It has pretty blue and pink topping. And it has pink and blue. Is it good? Is it yummy?
Vanilla and
Yeah.
cream.
Pink.
Pink, blue. It's beautiful.
Blue. Pink. Blue.
Pink, blue.
Black eye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank
You ready to miss
Don't get a brain freeze.
I put a baby in.
Is it delicious?
Something.
You did? What was it?
A cat.
Is it so good?
Yeah, it's a pink thing.
It is a pink drink.
And it's not making cat.
Aurora and I went in to get our Starbucks because we wanted to have the full unicorn experience, but now we're going and getting our adult drinks at Starbucks. It's just coffee. I guess I shouldn't call it adult drinks.
Yeah, people are gonna get the wrong impression here.
We're just getting coffee. Hi! Sitting on the bar waiting to be picked up.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, what are you doing?
It's really
It's a bottle.
It's a bottle.
Yeah.
You having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you tell me something?
Yeah.
What do you know?
A sip.
Really?
I say flap.
You say something? Can you say, no, put your foot on the camera. Can you say mama? Say mama?
Mama.
Say mommy?
Mama.
Okay, now you.
Thank you guys. Have a great
Thanks,
day.
you too.
Thank you. And our coffee. Okay, there you are. Ah. No fighting. Let's see if we can get that sunset behind us. Look. You see the sunset? Look, Juliet has her unicorn shirt on for Unicorn Day. Skylar has bugs on. And Aurora has her unicorn shirt on. Let's see.
And
Unicorn shirt. Did you like the unicorn drink, Aurora?
yeah.
What did it taste like?
Mine tasted like lemonade.
Whoa, guys. Oh, whoa. Tell her sorry. Come here, Aurora. Give mommy a hug. Let me hold you. Cute. Oh, no. We have a little bump. Oh, Valor brought you a flower to say sorry. Thanks, Valor. Are you gonna be okay? This happens all the time.
Hey, come on, Baba.
Toddlers running into each other. Toddlers falling down. Okay. Let's. Now you have a boo-boo. Come here. Join the boo-boo hugs. Juliet got a boo-boo. Join the boo-boo hug pile. Boo-boo hug pile. And our unicorn shirt pile. Because you're my unicorns. Can you tell everybody about your Frappuccino? Should they go get it? Do you think it's yummy? Do you think everyone should get one?
Yeah. Like
What
me?
What did it taste like?
Lemonade.
It tasted like lemonade?
Yeah. And almost some
Was it
beer.
sweet or sour?
Mine was sour.
It was sour.
Mine was sour too.
But is it good? Like you want to keep drinking it?
Sweet.
It was?
Yeah.
Well, it's supposed to be a taste-changing drink, and it's sweet and sour.
was.
I'm not going to say it's like the best Starbucks drink ever, because it's not even like a little bit the best Starbucks drink ever, but like for the novelty of it, because it only is around a couple of days, I think it's worth getting once or twice, and the kids loved it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, you're saying bye?
It's growing.
Mushrooms growing.
And a giant one.
A giant mushroom. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we can eat a giant mushroom.
But what's the rule about mushrooms we find in the yard?
No touching.
Or eating.
Eating.
Why don't we eat mushrooms we find in the yard?
Because that will make you sick.
Toddlers set up this tube system to send rocks flying down to here. Okay, go ahead. I hear it. Maybe the
I can't go out.
maybe the stick is keeping it. Take the stick out of it.
So long.
Okay. Now let's try it again.
Oh. Hello. Good.
Okay, bring the rocks back to Valley. Let's do it again.
Yeah, because I love this teamwork.
You love this teamwork? That was good teamwork.
Teamwork. Mommy, are you?
We figured it out together. Okay, go ahead.
One job. Good.
Good job.
Oh, can I have that? Oh, can I try that?
Yeah.
You walk, not walling.
Let me see the flashlight. Light it up. Is that helping you see in the tube?
Uh-huh.
You can see the rocks?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Look at that sunset over the lake. It's beautiful. Y'all like that sunset? Isn't that beautiful?
Mama.
Look, the color of the sky kind of has the colors from the unicorn drink. Do you see pink and blue?
Uh-huh.
Well guys, I just put kids to bed. I put Sam to bed. They need their sleep. I'm over here at my parents' house helping them with some stuff. I just got here, so I'm gonna call it a night as far as videoing goes. Thanks so much for joining us. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We finally get to make our big announcement tomorrow, and we are so excited to let you in on what's been going on. So we will see you again tomorrow, I guess. I don't know. I'm tired, so that's all I gotta say is I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.